What's up, everyone? We got an easy one today. Let's make this delicious buffalo chicken cheesesteak on the Blackstone. First thing, you want to get it ripping hot. We're going to get some butter down, and then I'm going to turn them burners down to about halfway, just on the left side. I got the ones on the right, they're off. I'm going to come down with the white onion. Toss it around a bit. Leave it go a minute or two, and we're going to come in with some sugar. This is going to help the onion caramelize better. Just mix it up real good. Let the sugar get all over. If you've never had a buffalo chicken cheesesteak, you got to check this out. They're delicious. Super simple to make. They're done in just a few minutes. You're going to hit it with a little salt and pepper. Just keep tossing them onions. You don't want them to burn. You just want them to caramelize real good. See that color starting to change in them. So now we're going to come in with some shaved chicken breasts. So we had marinating in some buffalo sauce that we made. We got a shaved chicken breast at the grocery store. It cooks in just a few minutes. We're going to get it down, and we're just going to start chopping it up. Leave it go a minute or two. Just set that roll all the way over to the side there. Flip the chicken over, keep chopping it up. You mix it right in with them onions. Keep chopping. You just split it up, make 2 sandwiches. Or however many you want, or however big your rolls are. And I use a nice seeded roll from a bakery right around the corner. So we're going to come in with some cheddar cheese. Use American here, or whatever kind of cheese you like. Here's that buffalo sauce we made. Come in with a little bit more of that. Toss that around, get everything coated real good. The cheese melted throughout. And sprinkle a little more of that cheddar right on top. Set that roll on there. Leave it go about another minute or so. And there you have it. Buffalo chicken cheesesteak. Done in about 10 minutes. That's some good eating right there.